Hello, friends. Here is another series, and in today's series, we'll be looking at this cloud accounting and finance software called XERO. XERO is a popular cloud-based accounting and finance software platform designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It offers a range of accounting and financial management features to help businesses streamline their financial operations. So XERO is awesome because it has a lot of tools you need to manage financial transactions, ranging from invoicing, expense tracking with XERO. It allows you to create and send professional invoices to your clients and also be able to track payments. With XERO, you as a user can record and categorize expenses, making it easier for you to manage business finance. And of course, you know that expense must be tracked. Not only that, XERO also offers a good payroll system to ensure that you as an accountant or as a finance analyst person will be able to manage employee payments and also compliance with tax regulations. In the aspect of inventory management with XERO, you can also track inventory levels and manage inventory efficiently for any organization. In the aspect of financial reporting, the XERO cloud platform is a platform that provides a range of financial reports, including your income statements, your statement of financial position, your cash flow statements, and many other reports. XERO also provides multi-currency support. Okay, you can deal with transactions in multiple currencies, making it suitable for businesses with international operations. Maybe you happen to work for a firm that is in the United States and also located here in Nigeria or in Ghana or nearby countries. With XERO, you can be able to deal with transactions in those currencies. XERO is also accessible anywhere, anytime, and that's one good thing about it. With your phone, you can carry it anywhere you go. Okay, that's one good thing about a cloud-based platform to allow you as a user to access their financial data or your financial data or the financial data of a business. That's why I said the financial data of a business, okay, from anywhere with just an internet connection. One other good feature is the fact that you can also integrate, XERO with other third-party apps. For example, other payment gateways, other CRM systems, other e-commerce platforms. Okay, you can also get all that integrated. Do you understand? Then also in the aspect of collaboration, you can also get collaborated with multiple users. For example, accountants and team members can collaborate on the platform as well. So this is a user-friendly interface, and it is widely used by businesses, accountants, bookkeepers for managing their financial activities. And a good thing also is that it is suitable for a range of industries and business sizes. Being a freelancer, you can use it. As a startup, you can use it to establish enterprises. So it's awesome. So let's now look at how to create a cloud account on XERO, because that's the first thing you must do. It's more like creating what we call a company file in other softwares. Hope you're enjoying. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do, you will go to your web browser and type this xero.com/signup/. So I'm going to take it away. XERO. So you go here, xero.com/signup/. You hit your enter. xero.com/signup/. So it brings you to the sign up page. So this is where you're going to create. So as a cloud package, it gives you free 30 days access as a trial for you to navigate around and enjoy. After that, you subscribe for it. One thing about cloud systems is that you pay subscription fee to be able to use their products. It's unlike the desktop that is permanent license, perpetual. For cloud platforms, you must pay, otherwise you won't be able to use it. So first name, For this first name, last name, I always advise you use the name of the business. So I can come here and say, name of this business, I will use Miramore Consulting. Last name, I will still repeat it, Miramore Consulting. Email, provide an email address because this is very important. Before you'll be able to use or complete your sign-up process, you must activate it, and XERO is going to send an activation code to the email address you provided to make sure it is a valid email address. For instance, and also make sure the email is open somewhere. You can see my own is open. That way to be easier for me to navigate quickly. So for email, I will say Miramore Consulting, because it's already open, at Gmail. I'm using a gmail.com. You can use any mail. Phone number, I'm going to provide business phone number, 0906488000. You can also reach us on that. Location of this company is in Nigeria. So I'll just click N so I can move faster. So this is Nigeria here. Okay. So are you a robot? No, if you're not, make sure you tick. It is used to for verification. I have read and agreed to the terms. You can take your time to read the XERO terms, but there's nothing much there. So I'll just tick on that. Please don't send any marketing communication. If you don't want updates from XERO under your mail you provided from time to time, you have to tick here that you don't need their marketing communication. But it might be needed, because that way to make you to be updated with any changes on ground. So leave it. Click next confirmation. So it's now processing. So this is how to get started. Creating your company file begins with step here in XERO. Now that we have done this, you can see what it showed us. It says what? That hi, Miramore Consulting. That's how it will talk to you too, telling you hi. It will tell you hi, darling Sam, right? That's how you tell your company's name. Hi to your company's name. That you should now confirm your email and start using XERO. It now said what? That we sent an email to miramoreconsulting@gmail.com, which is the email I provided. So what do? It shows you a next step here. That step 1, go to that account, that email account, and verify your account. Then start using XERO. It's as simple as that. So let's do that quickly. I'll open my mail at the top. Can you see? There's a message there from XERO. I'll click and open it. This is it. That hi, Miramore Consulting. It's great to meet you. Hi, XERO. It's also great to meet you too. So I will then click on yes, it's me. Let's get started. That's all. So it now brings me here. So now I'm going to set up my password to activate your account. And it's saying that your password needs to contain at least 8 characters, including 1 or more numbers. So what I always do for password, I always use a special character like @ symbol. So it will allow me. So I will make my first letter to be capital, the rest will be small letters. Then I use a symbol @ okay, @ then I put a number. So combination of a capital letter, the rest small letters, a symbol, and a number makes it a perfect combination for XERO to accept. If I want to save this to my system, I will put save here. So that's all to do, ladies and gentlemen. XERO is coming up. So they're asking me if I want to save. I'll say yes, so that even if I forget this password, so this is for Miramore Consulting. So I'm just going to, this is just for my email, if I can verify if I'm the one doing this. Let me just provide my email. All right, so I just verify that I'm the one. But this one is not necessary. It has nothing to do with XERO. So ladies and gentlemen, here we are in XERO. We are done signing up for the first time in XERO. Congratulations. Now, XERO brings us, after that setup we did, this is another setup. Here we'll be setting up basic information for this company. So what's the name of the company? We said Miramore Consulting. Industry. This is a consultancy business that looks into the financial industry. So I'll come here and type it. Then I will look for it because XERO have a list of industries. So if it was manufacturing, I would say manufacturing. You can see manufacturing is there. You can see them. If it was construction, I would say construction. Okay, so I will do, you can see different type of construction business. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put accounting for its accounting services or financial services. They all fall there. That's it. You do same for your own business. So once I've done that, country Nigeria, select Nigeria from the list. Then last day of your financial year, December 31st, if it's a 12 calendar month period. Then do you have employees? That's this one now means the first month will now be January to December 31st. If yours was September, you know it's to August. Now, do you have employees? I'll say yes. If it's only you for now, you use no, it's just me. But since it's for a company, I'll say yes. I am not a robot. I don't want to buy this software. I want to access it for the 30 days free trial. So I'm going to click start trial. So that's all. That's what I'm going to do here. And my trial is going to get me started. I hope you're enjoying this short series. Okay, so welcome to XERO environment. So this is XERO environment, yeah, and I'm happy to have you here. So you can see that in the XERO is made up of 5 tabs. We have the dashboard, we have the business, we have the accounting, we have the project tab, and we have the contact tab. Okay, then we have this plus sign here we use to create new. Okay, if you click on it, maybe you want to create, remember those tools I talked about that you use to manage your financial transactions. This is where they are under this plus sign. You can access invoice, bill, contact, quotation, purchase order. Spend money is for expenses. You want to pay for expenses. Receive money when your client pays you. You want to transfer money, you can also do that. Then we have this little box here. This one takes you to show you the integrated apps I talked about that you can integrate XERO to them. Most of them are payment gateways. You can also find more of them or e-commerce platform. So once you have done that, we are in the dashboard. This is the dashboard. You can edit your dashboard using this icon so as to be able to customize it. So you can see we have the cash flow, invoices, bills, and every other thing. Nothing has been set up yet. Manage and pay your employees. We don't have any employees set up yet. So that's why it's just like this. So let's talk about the business. So when you come to business, you'll notice this. We have short-term cash flow under analytics features. We have invoices, quotes, and all these that are provided there. Under accounting, you see bank accounts, reports, sales tax, chart of accounts. Under projects, if your business is one that manages project, you can also be able to do them there. Under contact, this is where you set up your customers, your suppliers of the company. So on a quick one, we are going to do a quick setup so that you see how this is done. So we also have company settings. Maybe you want to set up for company, you see where we have, you come to the name of the company here, click on the drop down and choose settings. Once you do that, to take you to the settings screen here. So first setup, in short, this is the first thing you should do. You should go and manage company settings. So provide other additional information which was not requested for at the initial stage. Do you understand? Like company logo, company address, currency of the business. We don't have all these things set up. So you must come, your first task is to come to the top here where we have the company name and click settings. It then brings you here. Once it brings you to this new window, first one is organization details settings. Click on it. It will now open this window for you. On this window, you now start to navigate to each tab you want to go to. So I'm going to scroll down. Let's say the company have changed their name. This is where you do your adjustments. Logo of the company, this is where you click. Upload logo, I'll click browse. After it brings this, then to take me to my system, okay, my explorer on my system, then I'll be able to go and search for the company logo. So it's taking me there. That's how it should take you to. So you can see it has taken me straight up to the system. So what I'm going to do, I will go to my, I don't know if I have it here, logo. I don't have it here. Let me see. So let me go to my downloads. Think I should have. So that's how you go and look for it. Let's check here. I think that's Miramar logo. Yes, see the logo. So I'm going to say open. So that's how to add a logo to your company file in XERO. I'll then click upload, upload. So that's it. All what I did here, I did it because I want you to master this. So can you see where we have our logo now? Okay. So that's how to get started here in XERO doing that. So if you want to change your logo, you use this icon here, this one, change your logo. If you want to like remove your logo completely, use this one here to remove your logo. So that's just how to get that done. So once you're done with this, because you need them in your forms, so you come down, can change the services again. You can say accounting services, that's the line of the business. Organization type have not been specified. So you also have to come here and also specify what type of organization is this. So when you come here, to be able to do that specification. So I will say this is a what? If it's sole proprietorship, I will click on the drop down and select. If it's a club or society, if it's a charity organization, it's a charity, like orphanage and those that. If it's a partnership business, if it's a company. So this is a one-man business owned by the owner of Miramar is a one-man company registered. So I will choose, I can choose person, you understand, since it's a one-man business proprietorship, or I choose sole trader. So I'm just going to leave that here on person. Business registration number, Miramar is registered. So I will quickly now navigate to take our business registration number. So because so that everything will be complete. So for that one, I will say www.miramar.com.ng. So let me just open that quickly. Or I can even access that your company should be registered, so it will be easy. I can even search Miramar from Google. Let's go Google Miramar. Don't need all this Facebook stuff here. I just want which one, I don't know, because of network. So I just want one that will be very fast. So that's Miram. Let me search it. All right, so this is the registration number. Miram Consulting. That's the first thing you can see on the site for that name. So this is it. Arusi 3704721. Yes, I can even open it from here. So I will go back to XERO and then paste it here. So that's our registration, business registration number. Organization description about this company. So there should be a description about it. That one can be gotten from the website. So the website network is taking time to open it here. So once it opens, we can do that. So I'll just put accounting and audit service on that one. So that's just how to go about it. Contact address, you provide it. Fiscal address, you provide all the information, email, phone number, you select your country. It's always +234 for Nigeria. So just put +234. This is Nigeria. Then 9068408000. So that's how to go about it. Email, website, every other thing. If you want more information, you can click on add contacts. If you want to provide Facebook link with and other pages for the business, you click save. So that's how to go about setting up your business information in XERO. You can see changes have been saved. So yeah, I can now go back. Quickly. So that's all to do under the settings. If you go to settings, you can also do more things too. Now, talking about another setup is currency. So you also have to come and choose your currency so that you can be able to manage currency for your business. So when I come here, I'm just going to remove this head stuff here. So I'll come here and click add currency. So to show me which currency I will select from the list, Naira. So let me clear all this select one. Let me put Naira. This shows that's CD. So let's just search for Nigeria. So we'll drop down, we'll scroll down. So keep scrolling to letter N. So most times it might be hidden there. So it's just for you to calm down and look for it. So that's just how you go about it. You scroll, you see Nigerian Naira, then you click on it. So once you've clicked on Nigerian Naira, you then do what? You proceed on that. I don't know why it's taking time to bring it up. This is Ghanaian CD. So let's assume we are in Ghana. That's what I'll just do. If I'm in Ghana, I'll choose Ghana cedi. You can see it also brings up the up-to-date exchange rate. If we were in Nigeria, I would choose Nigeria. If we're in Euro, I would choose Euro. Just like that. Then I would say add currency. So that's how to add currency in Xero. So once you're done with that one, the next setup you're going to do is setting up users. Users are those that use the software, because you're not the only one. Maybe you're the owner of the business and you have two other staff that also use it. So that's where you click. So now bring you here. You now come and invite a user. You click invite user. So you'll be able to invite, put the name of the staff, the email of the staff. Xero is going to send the person a message. Then permissions, here is where you assign what the person should be doing. So this is what, if you assign business and accounting, the user will be able to view all this and have access to it. Anyone you don't tick, this user won't have access to it. Okay. And you can also still limit features. Limited, can also limit certain features. So that's what to do. Now, after being able to do that, the next thing you have to do is to come to accounting tab and set up bank accounts. So click bank account, because every business must have a bank account. So what you now do is this: since you don't have any bank accounts here, we are going to click on this option that says what? Add bank accounts. So when you click on it, it's now going to open up a new window. On this new window, you will then come and set up bank accounts for the company. Okay, so you come here and do that and do that. Now, if you're checking Nigerian bank accounts from this field, you will not be able to get them. It's telling us no result match your size. So what do? Click on this option that says add without bank feeds, then say continue. Understand? That's the option you use. It will now bring you to a new screen. On this new screen, what you're going to do is this: you will now come put the name of your bank account. So let's say name of the bank account is First Bank. So I'll come here, I will say First Bank. Account name, Miramon. Account type, maybe is others, use others. That's for savings currency. You put the account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Naira, you can see currency is already customized. That's why we don't see it under currency. By the time when we are setting up, it already knew that this company is located in Nigeria based on the site. So this is it. So that's how to do. Click add bank account. So that's just how to add your bank account in Xero. You can now see that the bank account has been added, Miramon Consulting. At the moment, we have no statements, no balance. So if you want to manage your account, you click manage account. Then you can see bank statements, account transactions, spend money, receive money, reconcile account, conciliation report, import a statement, and all that. So that's how to do. So once you're done with that, you can also manually import your bank statements into it, so you can have your bank balance updated, or you come and edit, do your normal updates. So once you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do is to come to contact and set up all those your customers, all those your suppliers of the company. Clicking on what? Customers. It takes you to the customer center. So you come over there and set up all the customers of this company. You understand? And not only that, you set them up by clicking new contacts. So when you click new contacts, it now takes you to the screen. You understand? You put the name of the customer. Customer can be a name, a person or a business. So you set up here another information. You also come and do the same for your suppliers. Those you pay for services they render to you are your suppliers. Why those who you offer are your customers. So you also click new contacts. So here in Xero, it refers to them as contacts, and you put other information. But most importantly, we'll round up with what we call the chart of accounts. So you must come over and set up a chart of account, because that's the backbone of this system. So your system must have all accounts being set up so that you can be able to go about it. You click add accounts to add new accounts, and you can see all the categories of accounts. At the moment, we have our bank account, which specifies that it's a bank account with no balance. So this is how to do that: assets, liability. So take your time, watch this video, and make good use of it. Xero is awesome. Of course, you can see that the endpoint is always reporting, which you come here to be able to have that on your business snapshot. So see you in series 2. That's it. That's it.